Hi girls, welcome to our STEM lesson. Today we will do our experiment number 4, Sing and Float. So kindly please open page 16 in your booklet and let us do it together. What is our problem? Do all heavy objects float and light objects sink? Let us see. Our hypothesis, we will choose the correct one, the correct answer. Take a look. All heavy objects float and all the light objects sink. Is it correct? Of course, no. Not all the heavy objects will float. Of course, no. Some heavy objects float and some light objects sink. Some heavy objects sink and some light objects float. Or B and C together. Which one the correct answer? Yes, correct. B and C together because we have heavy objects float and heavy objects also sink, and some light objects sink and some light objects float. So we will do our experiment and we will use coin, plastic toy, paper clips, feather, water, and of course a jar. Our procedure, we will put the objects one by one in a jar filled with water. We will start with the coin. As a coin, we will see first, we will predict first if it is heavy or light. A coin, it is heavy or light. We will put X in the correct answer. Yes, coin, it is very light. A plastic toy, we will use a small piece of Lego. So a Lego, small piece of Lego, it is light or heavy. Yes, it is heavy. Paper clip, sorry, it is light. Paper clip, it is light. Feather, it is very light. Great. Let us now, we will see if the coin, it will sinks or floats. A coin, it is light, okay? But this coin will sinks or floats. I will put here an image now, but I will upload a video about all the experiment about the coin. Take a look to this coin. The coin go under the water, so it sinks or floats. Great, it sinks. So let us put here the X. Plastic toy. The plastic toy, I said we will use the Lego. The Lego here we have water, then oil, and you know that oil floats on the water. So as water, the Lego here. Does the plastic toy sinks or float? It go under the water or stays on the surface? Yes, it stays on the surface, so it float. Paper clip, the paper clip, take a look here, the paper clip stay on the surface, so it will float. And a feather, take a look to the feather here, the feather stay on the surface, so it also it float. So as conclusion, do all heavy objects sink and all the light objects float? Take a look. Will all the light objects float? No, we have some objects floats and some objects, light objects sink. So no. Great job, girls.